So I say unity is power because there's power in unity. Yeah, I'm just sharing my opinion on who you gotta force for or something like that. I ain't forcing you or something like that. I'm just giving my opinion. At least I'm not gonna do that, right? So, yo, waffle up, son. Waffle up, son. This dude be a galaxy like I am talking Samsung. Hey, waffle up, son. Waffle up, son. This dude be a galaxy like I am talking Samsung. On me. I'm just a simple rapper, but I'm talking about this guy who graduated from Harvard, like. Hey Harvard, like yeah, I'm talking Harvard. You got brains, man. You know I'm talking Harvard. Yo, he's a lawyer for you. You know he's gonna make it. Beast, you know I'm rapping, and I know he's gonna ace it. Yeah, I'm talking about the anthem, singing it in the Tyler when I'm, and a place though, man, this place flows, a place flows wherever I'm gonna do, so I slay flows like, hey, man, you know why I'm singing all this stuff I'm talking about now, yo, why I'm breaking on the 20th of March, you go march up to freedom, vote for the greatest and the goodest, and you see him and do it, you better come and do it, I'm just a simple guy, just making simple music, so yeah, let's talk about Dalai Lama. This guy's gonna bring him back. Yeah, you know he's gonna do that. So, you better know that. I know you knew that. I know you knew that. Yo, I know you knew that. So, my stuff is never dropped. Man, we're talking about peace, the middle way approach. Like you people can hear, so I'm hoping your people come and listen here, so listen here when I make the vote. Hope you gon' make it work, hope you will make it work after you make the vote. I hope you make it work when you make the vote. I hope you make it work when you make the vote. Cause this guy's appreciated by a lot of these guys. So I'm making no love, nothing in disguise. Cause this guy is truly what he does. I hope he makes it. So I hope he makes it. Yo, I hope he makes it for them 5 years he did it. I hope he do further. I hope he's gonna do a lot further, pushing a lot. So you know I gotta aim for it, yeah. The shooting stars, so now you gotta vote for it, like hey, yo, vote for love, son. This dude will be a galaxy, like I am talking Samsung. Hey, vote for love, son. Vote for love, son. This dude will be a galaxy, like I am talking Samsung. Hey, vote for love, son. Say, vote for love, son. Hey, love.